Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's the Batman. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video day. We're in another game of Reloaded in Fortnite, and this time we're using the pistol instead of a shotgun. And let me tell you what, it did not disappoint. You guys gotta see how OP this freaking weapon is. Go ahead, leave a like in a comment down below, and subscribe channel for more content like this. I'll catch you on the next one, and peace. There's someone here, dude.
Yeah, they'll have something there. Somebody upstairs.
He ran out. I knocked
Oh,
him.
I got footsteps on here. Yeah.
Above. Nice try, buddy. Nice freaking try, bro. How was yours, Sly? Was it good? People were here on top. One shot, knocked him. This dude came out of left field. He came from all the way over here. This is a bot. What the heck?
You got guys right in front of you, left.
Oh my god, there's two of them. Damn it, I just jumped right on that dude. I didn't know he was in there. The one's weak. We just got done fighting. One's up top. Up top. He's looking. They're both looking. Oh my god, he's fucking won, dude. Get him, blood. If I didn't, bro, you gonna pick me up?
Here we go,
Oh,
guys.
he's picking me up. He's broke his shield. Oh my god, come the fuck on, dude. There's no way we're letting these fucking guys do this, bro. It's the pistol, man. Pistol's really fucking good.
Harley. Right behind you.
I know, I need fucking help. I'm not getting it right now.
Her last words were, spit.
Where the hell was he at? Up top?
Oh,
He's up
my
top.
God.
He's up top.
Bug. Oh, never mind. I'm
Like,
calling it.
muted the whole time. I'm sorry. He's up top.
Bro!
Keeps coming in. He's destroying us.
Alright, well, let me back up for a minute here.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm out of rotation.
Oh, my dude. He's just hiding behind this corner.
I know. I ain't got nothing, though. The pistol.
Let me shoot.
Suck it, bitch. Get in there, blood.
I'm trying.
Water, shoot that dude. Shoot him.
Oh, no.
He's right in front of you. Shoot him. 48 on him. 47, 23. Knocked him. Oh my goodness, bro.
That's alright. I got a blue one right here. No. Take it.
Knocked a dude right here. 35.
Behind us now. Knocked him.
I want to reload my gun.
No way.
Where is he? In the soccer field? Where is he?
He's in the bush. He's in the soccer field.
He's right here. Destroy the fence. 28, 56. Knocked him. There's above blood. Above.
Yep. 17.
Dead, knocked.
Behind the house. Behind y'all, behind the house.
Let's double it. We're doubling it. We're doubling it. Triple him. Triple him. Triple him.
You got guys here.
He's pushing. He's pushing. 28. 28. He's in the basement. He's in the basement. Suck it, boy.
There's minis right there.
No, I need white ones.
Right in front of you, the gas
There's a
station.
gas station. That dude's coming over here again. Oh my god, dude, this pistol is absolutely gross. It is.
Beat them.
Nice. 35, blue in the middle, 35, 35, 35. All whited. Or, I'm sorry, blue, but broke his shield. Dude, I'm just full sending it, bro. Knocked him.
There's another one in here.
There's another one. There's another one. Oh my god, I just fucking killed them. Sorry, blood.
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. You guys are all alive, so I'll just come in.
Got a superhero skin pushing. Broke his shield, broke his shield.
Oh my god, I need movement.
Broke his shield. Superhero skins shield. 27 whited. Oh my god, absolutely wrecked that superhero skin. I think he just got knocked. 28, 28, broke shield down there. Broke shield on him. 27, 27, 28, 28, broke shield on the wolf. On the wolf, 56. Whited. He's 2 shots.
Knocked him. Knocked him.
Right above you.
Knocked him, knocked him.
Woo. Oh my god, they got me. They got me.
Get in here, get in here. Oh my goodness, go, go, go. Get your fat ass in there. Help me, step bro, I'm stuck. God, he's landing right on us, y'all. He's gonna open up this door, look out. Dead on him. Golly, this pistol is just absolutely disgusting, man.
Here you go.
There's a guy in this bunk right here, in this bunk, guys. We should try to push this bunk. Oh, I just beamed him. Right here, right here. Ouch, ouch. How the hell did that dude hit me like that?
God,
Oh,
dude,
good
you're
lord.
everywhere, man.
They're not pushing it?
Yeah, they are.
No, they're staying. They're staying in the bunk. Knocked one. Knocked one in that bunk.
Got one pulling after you guys.
Got 2 pulling up to us. Get ready for this. She's gonna land right here. Oh my god, she's literally one.
Don't take that half pot, dude. I got minis. Oh my god.
Knocked her.
My bad, I slid into the half pipe. That's the first thing I got.
It's all good. It's all good.
They're over there still, y'all. They're right. They're
he's
right.
right here, by the
Yeah,
ground, by the ground.
they're still here.
I'll be back up the
Can
ground.
we shoot this wall out?
Hit on 110. He's low.
Is he chasing? He's in. He's opened that door. Yeah, there you go. One shot dead. Let's go. Woohoo!
Won that, dude.
Oh my god, I was frying with that freaking pistol.